So today we will learn something interesting, which is known as goal-seek function. So this automates your calculation. You don't have to do manually calculation on this. So what does goal-seek function does? If suppose here we will take example that I want to generate 10,000 rupees. I want a profit as a 10,000 rupees. So how much revenue should I generate? So by doing manually, we can just use goal seek function in the Excel and we'll see right now. So we'll select the cell profit because we want to make 10,000 rupees profit. So here you will go to data tab for goal seek function. Here in what if analysis you will select goal seek. Now you have to select cell. Okay, which is profit cell. Then value, how much profit do I want to generate? So I will type here manually 10,000. Okay, and now which cell? Like I have to see the revenue. Okay, for 10,000 profit, how much sales should be generated? So I'll select this cell. By changing which cell you want to see the result, and you will press OK. So you can see to make 10,000 rupees profit, you have to do a sales of 26,000. So in this way, the goal-seek function automates your more calculations. So if you like a video, please keep following Excel up for more such content. Thank you.